Welcome back. Do some quick shooting here. I repaired the serving on my crossbow today, so I'm gonna check zero and check function and see how that goes. All right, 20 yards. This will be with the top crosshair, 20 yards, right at the black and the cardboard. I'm not going to mess with that. I'm going to talk about the scope another day. It has quite a bit of parallax. I'll talk about that another day. This is a 30-yard first dot. First dot down. Okay, this is going to be first shot at 25 with field point. Second shot, 25, is my number one broadhead. In 25, I've got 3 wires top to bottom, and I'm going to use the top wire same point of impact pretty much as a field point. About the same as the field point. I'm not going to change it because I believe that top is actually my 20-yard zero line. This would be number one broadhead, 35. At 35, I've got from the top wire, second dot down on the deer size brisket, and I'm aiming second dot down, 35. I think I'm going to keep it. Thanks for stopping by.